Papanalo niyo ako, guys.
Apparently, did your Lexi tell you what your bottle did?
Guys, bigyan niyo ako ng gifts, guys.
Yes. Countryman, how old are you? Hello, Callum. Send me your Snapchat. How old are you?
What is someone like you? Someone you love. Hi po, Susan. Hello, Susan. Susan, bigyan mo ako ng gift, Susan.
34, yeah.
Guys, papanalo niyo ako, guys.
34, you do some chance. Yes, Kenzo.
Hello po. Hi po kay Hannah. Hello po, Hannah. Good morning. Hannah, bigyan mo ako ng gifts.
She was okay. Are you sure?
Oh, dami nang nagsisend sa'yo ng gifts.
Thanks for the likes.
Ano, Tagalog ko naman.
Kenzo, how old are you? Oh my god.
Yeah. How old are